This video outlines the process of integrating an Aperio RS-485 hub on Access Portal v5. You can daisy chain up to 8 hubs per APC, 16 locks per hub and 32 locks per APC. This integration is supported on a distributed or clustered controller. This schematic shows the RS-485 connection from the master controller in APC mode to the Aperio hub. Take note of the dip switch settings on the hub. Firmware version 3 is required on the clustered controller and version 2 on the distributed controller for this integration. Use the Aperio programming application to pair the locks with the hub. Log in to the PAP tool and click on Open. Click on Quick Scan to scan for communication hubs. When discovered, click on the Show Details button. It will now retrieve information from the hub. To pair a lock with the hub, right-click, choose Communication Hub, and click on Pair with Lock or Sensor. Pair the lock with the hub. Show a card to the Aperio lock and wait for the hub's LED to go from steady yellow to alternating green and yellow. Click on Done. The lock is now paired with the hub. Click on Close. The next step is to install the APC master controller and locks. Navigate to the Setup menu and click on Install. Select the APC you want to install. Remember, the locks are paired with the RS-485 hub. Click on Scan Bus to get a list of the locks. Select the locks that are paired with the hub. Here you will select if you want the software to automatically create doors for the locks installed on site. Based on the type of lock you have installed, you will select one of the options, that is entry reader only, or exit and entry readers. Navigate to the Setup menu and select Doors. Select Quick Door. Rename the door where the lock is installed and click on Save. A reader profile is a template that determines how the locks that belong to the profile will behave. The Aperio profile template guarantees standard behavior across all the locks assigned to it after the installation. When the installation is complete, the Aperio locks will be linked to the Aperio reader profile. Select Aperio. A list of the Aperio locks assigned to the profile will be shown under the Readers tab. Extra Aperio lock features, not previously available, are now ready for use, like behavior, inputs, actions, etc. This video covered the integration of Aperio RS-485 hub integration on Access Portal v5. Thank you for watching.